So how did they make the first Kit Kat? Kit Kats are made of Kit Kats. The manufacturers leave no Kit Kat uneaten. So every reject is mashed into a paste that's used to fill the wafers. Because every imperfect Kit Kat was already filled with other imperfect Kit Kats, and some of the Kit Kats they'll fill will also be rejected. Every time you eat a Kit Kat, you're basically eating layers of Kit Kats within Kit Kats within Kit Kats. 10,000-year-old giraffe engravings in the Sahara Desert. It looks goofy but it works. In the remote Pilbara region of Australia, an Aboriginal community built a train to carry their children to school. The train cars are made from metal barrels and the locomotive is a tractor. The train is meant to keep attendance rates on track by getting kids excited to go to school. During the Victorian era, special cuts were made to keep your moustache out of the tea. Now that's some bad luck. WW1. The Germans disguised one of their ships as a British ship, the RMS Carmania, and sent it out to ambush British vessels. In a hilariously bad stroke of luck, the first ship it encountered was the real RMS Carmania, which promptly sank them. Hail plus hurricanes. Barcelona, day and night. A very cool French ad for glasses. This manhole cover in Wiesbaden, Germany. This picture of Lisbon I took while my phone got a message.